Today is a very special day. You know, we are launching our new website and we call Channel 13. Good Morning Utah is here with Big Buddha. So we are very excited and we want to show you what happened.
So tell me a little bit about what you guys do as far as, we already talked about the restoring process, that you guys do that here, but is that the only thing that you guys do at Restore?
Of course not. We can do anything from transferring old VHS tapes into DVDs, or scanning old negatives and making them into actual photos, and scanning in old slideshows that you might have.
Thank you, Big Buddha, for
Hello.
being here.
Thank you for having us. So we got the picture of the family, the photo of the couple with the parents. So who's not in the picture anymore, so to speak?
In the picture is not anymore this groom.
The groom.
We're going to
He's out.
He's going to take her out.
Okay.
So X.
And we're gonna give you the photo just like that. No, we're not. No.
Okay. So
that would be a great picture. I would take that. No. You're just kidding, right?
Yes, I'm
okay.
just kidding. We're going to give you a brand new picture without him in the picture.
Okay. So let me see you get to work on how you're doing this.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We are going to remove him completely.
These guys are amazing. We'll see you guys in a little bit, all right?
I'm sure there are people that have wanted to do this.
Oh, I'm sure. I have no
In the photo and in life, right?
It's so much more tasteful than just taking the scissors and cutting it out.
I'm sure you guys have heard that saying, Dan and Carrie, a picture paints 1,000 words, right? It's worth 1,000 words. But what are those words, right? So these guys put it into story form. So do you interview people?
Yeah, so when they come here to the store, we introduce each other, and then they tell us what they want for the photo, and then later on here we go to the green screen, and then we ask them some questions.
Okay, well, give me some sample questions.
Okay, so one of the questions are maybe who's in the picture and what you want to restore it.
Okay.
So maybe
I would, if this were my picture, I'm assuming those would be my parents. I would say, there's a picture of my mom and dad when they were going out on an anniversary, and it looks a little faded. I want to kind of touch it up a little bit and bring out some color.
Yeah, so then that could be one of our questions. Another one is maybe you have an anecdote about them or a special memory that you remember, anything like that.
My mom used to make me eat my vegetables all the time before she wore that outfit. Yeah. So I hate that outfit. No, I'm just. So that's so you're gathering information, and then where do you put this web? Is it a webisode?
Yeah. So after this, we also show the process of how we restore the photo, and then after that we show them as a reveal, and we post it on our website. So if you go to Restore.TV website, you can click on all videos, and then you can see many episodes that we've done there.
In the next segment, we're going to talk about how to preserve your photos and what not to do with your photos.
So you're saying that there's some things you can do at home before it even gets to them. So let's give them some tips. What do you got?
Okay, what not to do with your photos is put a frame with glass and by the window or direct sunlight. That will ruin your photo, not just the color, but going to get stuck in the glass.
Okay.
So if you get stuck in the glass, what we recommend is to use put your picture like a humidifier, or use any other steamer and use it behind your photo.
You can see the photo. This was one of those photos that got stuck in the glass and you had to peel it off, and some of it came off.
Yes.
Right?
So then you can take your picture apart from the glass. But if even doing that got damaged, we can restore here and Restore.TV your photo.
Look at that.
Like a brand new.
How else do you have?
Okay, let's see if your photos got damaged in a flood.
Yeah.
And they are on water. And the
Just
best,
put it out in the sun, right?
no,
No?
don't put it in the sun.
Oh.
Because if you put it right in the sun, it will shrink your picture and it will dry like a potato chip, going to ruin it. So the best way to do it is, if your picture got wet, you lay it in a flat surface with a paper towel in the bottom and dry it at room temperature, no outside. And if you have many pictures and you don't have time to do this process one by one because you are taking care of your kids or any other thing, you Ziploc bags, put all your wet pictures in there and save it in there, zip it until you have time
And then
to
put it out in the sun.
No,
Oh,
don't put
no,
it in the sun.
Sun no good.
No,
Don't put it in the
not
sun.
good.
All right. So those are some tips, some things you can do at home before. Again, these guys are the last resort. They're your safety net. If your pictures are still ruined, just give them a call and they'll be able to help you out. We're gonna come back and check on the progress with Kathy and Sylvia to see how well they're doing with those photos, and we'll reveal the before and after, see how well they've done. All right.
It's really neat. It is.
See you guys.
Watching the magic happen. Good tips.
Yeah.
We are erasing the room.
Xing the X.
Yes. So we keep erasing.
Okay. Wow. That's a lot. You've got a lot done.
Yeah. And after we completely done and do a little details, we just move the father close to them.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay. And we lasso the father
Okay.
and we move him close.
Oh, wow.
And then we just crop the picture and we are done.
Okay. All right, so you'll finish those up. When we come back, we'll show you all of the before and after pictures, see how well they've done, and see if you guys can tell what the difference is. All right?
Let's get right to it because we don't have a lot of time. We're going to show you the before and after pictures. Get to it, Sonia. Let's see it. Okay, look at that.
Done.
First one. Oh, wait. Slow down just a little bit. Not so fast. Okay. Now change it. Yeah.
Nice, beautiful wedding picture.
Look at this one. This one has a lot of damage, right, Sonia?
Yes, has a lot of damage and very old.
Okay. Man, that's really good. Okay.
We have this lady that was all in pieces.
Yeah. Very nice. One more. Last one.
And this is the one that got burned
Yeah.
and was missing the middle part.
Look at that. Very nice. So let's throw out the website and the information that people want to contact you.
Yes, please go to our website www.Restore.TV and give us a call to 801-653-0873. And don't forget to visit us here in Lehigh in 130 West Main Street. We are here to help you, to transfer videos, to help you in all your digital needs.
I actually tried my hand at some digital work here, folks. Those of you watching at home. I cleaned this up a little bit. There's a few scratches, and this is what I came up with. This is what I came up with. I revealed the real picture. Yeah.
Can I have that?
That's what I got.
What you don't realize is Carrie's actually turning cheek.
We're going to take you, I know. We're out of time, but we're going to take you out with some good Peruvian music because that's where our family's from. Take it away, Andy. Back to you guys in studio.
Go to our website for a coupon, 30%.